Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. At this time, we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Just a quick reminder that this week is our Future Farmers of America, or FFA Spirit Week. So check out on Twitter what the tweet of the day is and participate in that. That's a fun opportunity to get involved and to recognize all the great things that our Texan FFA does. And a reminder to our seniors, get your scholarship offers. That is any scholarship you have been offered, whether you are using it or not, whether it's to the university of your choice or not. All of your offers, get those lists to your counselors. You can also get those to Mrs. Charlene Jackson, who is the counseling assistant. Either one of them can take those. We need those listed for you for the Legacy program that is coming up soon. We don't have a date yet for that, but we'll be doing that online for you. And we need to have those collected and listed for our Legacy Awards and also for our commencement exercises. So make sure that you have that. And those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I wish you a happy Thursday. I love you, I miss you, and I look forward to seeing you again.